Geze futhi izandla bakho.
What's this?
Yes. Will you go straight to the late holding assignment? Thank you.
Bella phela. Ike ngileli phela. Nawule futhi phela. Alarm.
Dingo sizo bafo.
Oh, nalo.
Nice home.
Yeah.
Thank you.
How's it?
I'm good. How are you? How are you feeling this good afternoon?
Yes, no, you're right. This is Amira.
One of the professional nurses that will be assisting you today.
Okay.
So did they tell you what vaccine you're getting today?
But Pfizer.
Yeah, Pfizer. So with Pfizer, isn't it that there's Johnson & Johnson and there's also Pfizer?
Sorry?
There are two. There's Johnson & Johnson and Pfizer.
Yeah.
With Pfizer, there are two jabs that do.
Yeah, they said I must come after 40 days.
After 42 days.
42 days.
Yeah, so basically, since you're getting one today, you're going to come back on the 23rd of next month. I'm going to write it that day here. So, normally, I have to explain this. Normally, when you introduce something to the human system, your immune system is going to respond. Right? It responds differently, yours to mine. When it responds, the clinical features that you're going to see will manifest themselves as side effects. If I'm sure you've heard before the side effects. Yes, so the side effects which are included is headache, fever, sweating, nausea, vomiting, blurred vision, chills, and general malaise. Those are the ones that are recorded on the immune system. So on the injected side, the physical part, there will be pain, there will be jumping, swelling, redness, and also numbness of the head. Those things might happen, might not happen. It depends on your immune system. Yes. So when they do take place, when they start happening, if you're having one or two or three of them, the day they start, you have to start counting. It has to be in between 12 to 48 hours.
So can you remember so that I can see you and you put it back?
The mask?
Yeah, because I don't even recognize you. Yeah, now it's fine.
Okay, no, that's
You want
fine.
to know me?
I do.
Yeah.
I was given a hint.
So, it's very difficult to talk with someone.
Someone that you don't even coming across you along the way, I feel like,
Yeah,
without the
now I
mask.
know you.
Okay.
And even you says I can.
Okay.
Yeah, so put your man,
Yeah, so when they start taking place,
Yeah.
within 12 to 48 hours, the likes of Panado, 1 gram 3 times a day, if like you feel like they're a bit safe, like you cannot do it. But when they exceed the 48-hour mark, when they persist beyond that, you have to take this out. I'm going to write the information of the name, the batch number, and also the date. And then here there'll be my information. You're going to take this card and go consult. Doctor, clinic, anywhere.
For free.
For free.
Okay.
You go consult, you get there, you tell them that, look, this is what I was given on this day, and this is the person that gave me.
Then if I have medical aid,
You consult with you. Normally. Isn't that something that's medical aid or whatnot?
they won't need anything.
Yeah, and then this card, we're also going to send it to you electronically. You're going to receive it via SMS and also an email. So if it happens that you do use this card, you can only send those soft copies. When we're done vaccinating him, there's a waiting area that's straight up. There, you're going to wait for approximately 15 minutes. That's just to check if you have an immediate reaction to this vaccine. After the 15 minutes, then you're free to go. And there are no do's, there are no don'ts. You continue with what you were doing yesterday, the day before that, this morning. You just continue.
business as usual.
Business as usual. So do you perhaps have any questions?
No,
Not at all.
not at all, yes.
So if later on you do think of a question, this number here, the 0800 number, is the number that you can call. They'll be glad to answer any question any time of the day. Or you can send a hi message here and then they'll respond via WhatsApp. So can I just write something real quick here on that?
Yes, no problem.
And then also sign.
Why not?
Why not?
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
16 62 68 71.
It's on there.
Done. So which hand is your dominant hand? Simple service or Stimby?
Hey, I'm from Zungula, the Santa Saman Kana, since it's
No problem. Okay, no, I saw Kavanapa with it. It's was a Wednesday, but we're now young and what can I say? And I so cool ever money with Pagamese.
oh, and it's service.
I know I stand with
I am phone, I don't know whatever right.
Alright. No, I was on keeping shit, and I like Jim. What's the Manchina? Jump! No, Lama Coron.
Chef. Au já não mas só sabe não né? Aí, filho, ele é corona.
Ai, suti. Oh, umsebenzi wakho ngabe lo. Hayi lutho.
Hey.
Sizenge ngawe uzosabe inaliti nje imali kanje. Hayi ke. Uyabona ngalapha.
Hayi cool. Ngilinde yokulinde.
Hayi insizwa ngathi ithukile.
Hayi.
Wena camera yatatazela ke manje.
Ukujovela njalo. Sengivaccinate nje.
Yebo.
Yonke into kukhulunywa ngami mhlawumbe bese ngenzeni.
Hayi kanjalo.
Hayi yavaccinate inkosi madoda.
Hawu ngiyabonga. So nalo ungaqoka ke manje.
Usandiya ufowethu uzongena la.
Uzongena khona ngapha.
Uma iphuma ukuba simshaye khona.
Yeah, okay, no, akunaki.
Awuzwile ngichaza lonke lemininingwane naye.
Usho kanje.
Kodwa ke nimphinde.
Hawu ngeza bafo. Lethi mana kancane nje. Sicela usisi.
Awukhande ngendlela ukuthi ungezwakali manje. Linda.
Ayisilinde usisi la asisize kancane.
Okay, sisize kancane.